Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here we go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to calculate factorial using a while loop. Alright, so let's go ahead and create an integer variable of x, and let x be equal to, let's say, the absolute value, so it can be able to eliminate the negative values there. So of int, and go ahead and put input, and then go ahead and tell the user to insert any number. So insert any number, and once the user go ahead and insert that number, and we'll go ahead and say factorial, let's say factorial equal to 1, and go ahead and say y x is greater than 1, y x greater than 1, then factorial multiply x, then x is equal to minus equal to 1. Then you go ahead and print out the results. So let's go ahead and print out. I'm going to say results of factorial is equal to factorial. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So insert any number, let's say 5, and the result of factorial equal to 120. And let's go ahead and run the code one more time and say 7, and the result of factorial is equal to 5040. And for the final time, let's go ahead and check our factorial of 3, and the result is equal to 6. Alright, so this is a factorial using a while loop, and I hope that is very simple. Go ahead and pull this down on your own system and check it out. I believe it's very straightforward, and you can be able to implement that. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.